Stay tuned to see how I achieve this look with 3 products.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Okay, to start, we'll just need 3 products. We have the lashes. These came together. I will link it in the description. It's from Amazon. I think it was like $9 or $10. And then we have the mascara, you know, the star of the show. We have some tweezers. These came in the pack from the mascara, the clusters, but personally I don't like the clusters from Kiss. I just feel like they break apart, and if you want the lashes to last a week, you shouldn't be having lashes like peeling off. So that's why I do recommend these B and Q lashes. So in the pack it comes with a B05 and a B06. The curl is D, but what the B05 and B06 means is one is light and the other one is dark. Well, it's not real light, but so here you can see that these are lighter than these. Like these are dark, like volume, and these are like not volume, but they ain't light either. Okay, anyways, so yeah, so I don't use anything else that comes with the mascara. I just use the bond and the seal. Like I don't use the overnighter, I don't use the remover. I don't feel like I need it. And yeah, so I'll link these 2 in the description, the lashes and the mascara. The tweezers, you can use any tweezers you have, it really doesn't matter. So to start, we're going to start with the bond, which is like the mascara part of the mascara. Mine is a little bit, I want to say it's old because I do have another pack, but whatever. So it looks like this. Okay, and I'm just get my mirror. Okay, we zoomed all the way in. Don't mind my lips, I ain't finished putting on my makeup. But I start with the light pack, so the B05 first, because I don't know. Wait, no I don't. I lied. I start with the dark pack first because with this look that you're gonna see, I like mine's kind of dark towards the end, but I don't want my lashes to be so see-through. So I use the light pack to really just darken it a little bit. If you want it like jet black, you can just use the dark and you can layer it with just the dark. But they come in different sizes, so it's 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 in both packs. So yeah. So let me do my little mirror so I can see. It would be smarter for me to do this eye for y'all, but I like starting with this eye. And just, I'm only going to do one eye. Like, it's pretty much the same on both, but yeah. Okay, so you take the little wand. I like to push my eye. Let me just make this mirror a little closer. I like to push my eyes up just a little bit, and you just put it under. I hope y'all can see. Don't put it on like mascara, because it's not mascara. I just put it on the bases of my lashes. I shake it on like that. I don't like brush it on. I just pat it on. It's kind of hard on the hand, but we're gonna do it good. Yeah, I need to do it one more time. You probably don't need to do it this many times, but this is what I do. And yeah, so it's on this eye. You can barely see it. It's really like one layer of doing mascara. And I close that up. I'll take, I haven't really thought of the style before I turn this camera on, but let's see what we're going to do. So we're going to do 14s on the end, because if I do 16, the 18 is like, I like for mine to not look as like uniform, like almost like wispy. So if I use like a 16 and an 18, they're going to almost look identical, and that's not what I want. I want some dimension, okay? So I hold it up. You can see. So I hold it up and I go right under. So one lash is on. Y'all see it went on very easy. Me personally, I don't like starting right at the inner corner because I feel like that itches my eyes. So it's like, it's a small gap, you can see, before it's at my inner corner. Because if you put something directly on your inner corner, you will feel it. It will feel itchy. And remember, you're going right before your water burn. So I'm going in with another 14. Push this in. It's so hard to do on camera. Let me actually go closer so you. So I hold it up and I go right under. And you'll know if you're touching your waterline because either your eyes will start watering or it'll feel very itchy. Now I'm going to go in with what's the next size? 12. Go in with the 12. Pray my mirror don't fall because it's just sitting on my legs. Hold it up. And I'll go in with the 12. Like I said, it goes on very easy. So you can stop here. You can stop here and let this be how far you go. But I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna go in with a 10. Yes, the closer, at least for me, if I do go, which is what I'm about to do, is go all the way, it itches the hell out of my eye and I end up ripping it off. But at least I started with it. I probably just went in with it. Oh shoot, that hurt. Okay. And boom. That went on. It is easy, but you gotta get used to it. You definitely gotta get used to it. So now we're gonna go in with the light pack. And for this one, you do have to put the bond on again because how's it gonna stick? We already covered what we already used in the bond. So now we have to put some more bond. Taking an 18 in the light pack. Remember, there's a dark pack and a light pack. I'm taking an 18 out of the BO5. The first pack we used was BO6. So I'm gonna do it on my phone. I'm gonna show you how I'm putting the bond on the lash. We're gonna go right. Again, we're not going to right on the outer corner. We're going like a little bit before it. And I'm just gonna place it right on top. And you can already see like it's giving wispy. It's not giving like uniform, which is what I want. And I'll probably do another 18. I should just do a 16, but I'm gonna do an 18. Okay, coat the lash and do it again. I do put it right before the other lash. No. I don't like 18 right here, so we're gonna do a 16. We're gonna do a 16. And really, like, you're gonna find different styles you like. You can find different lengths you like. You can follow this as a base or a guide, and you can just tweak it how you want. Like you can do like you do longer, you can do shorter, whichever works for you. And that's it. Let's see if I do. If I did, let me see if I do. Like I said, I go with the flow. Like if I see it and I'm like, I wish this part was a little darker, I'm gonna go a little darker. So I'm gonna take another 16 and I'm gonna go right basically in between where I did the 18s. I mean the 16 and 18. And boom. I like this more than I liked it before. And that's what I do. That's it. That's pretty simple. I know I look crazy with one lash done. So now I'm gonna do my other lash off camera, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I have both lashes on. Now I'm just taking my finger and smashing them. You could use your tweezers for this, but I find that when I use my tweezers, it ends up sticking to the lashes and pulling them off. So I just like use my fingers. And then after I do that, I use the second part of the mascara, which is the seal. And all this really does is dry out the glue or the bond so that it's not sticking. So I just do the same thing I did in the beginning with the bond. I just tap it over the lashes. Really just the base of the lashes. Everything is just the base, not the full lash. That's really it, y'all. That's really it. This takes me 15 minutes and they last me a week. I'm pretty sure they can last longer, but I like to take mine off. Like I do it on like a Sunday or a Monday, and I'll take it off like Saturday or Sunday, just because I like to really scrub my face at least once a week. Like I wash my face of course during the week, but I want to scrub it. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if this wasn't detailed enough for you, definitely let me know and I'll make an even more detailed video. But it's pretty simple, but definitely let me know. I'll do it again. But I will also be doing a lot of lash videos, different styles. If you want like a more natural style or a more dramatic style, let me know. I got y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.